Boost your well-being with an effortless mindfulness exercise. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can significantly enhance your overall sense of well-being and inner tranquility. In the hustle and bustle of today's fast-paced world, taking a moment to center yourself can make a world of difference. Here, we present an easy mindfulness exercise that requires just a few minutes of your time but offers immense benefits. Understanding mindfulness, a brief overview. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, acknowledging your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the environment around you without judgment. This practice has roots in ancient traditions but has gained widespread recognition for its positive effects on mental and emotional health. The 3-step mindfulness exercise. Step 1. Find a comfortable space. Choose a quiet and peaceful spot where you can sit down comfortably. It could be a cozy corner of your home, a park bench, or even your office chair. Step 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and begin to focus your attention on your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Step 3. Acknowledge and release. As you continue to breathe deeply, start to notice any thoughts, worries, or sensations that arise. Instead of dwelling on them, simply acknowledge their presence and let them go. Redirect your focus to your breath whenever you find yourself getting carried away. The benefits of regular practice. Incorporating this easy mindfulness exercise into your daily routine can yield remarkable benefits. Reduce stress. Mindfulness is known to lower stress levels by promoting relaxation and helping you manage challenging situations with a clear and calm mind. Improved focus. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to concentrate on tasks and stay attentive, ultimately boosting your productivity. Enhanced emotional well-being. Mindfulness allows you to become more in tune with your emotions, fostering emotional regulation and a greater sense of happiness. Better relationships. By being fully present in your interactions, you can cultivate deeper connections with others and nurture more meaningful relationships. Heightened self-awareness. Through mindfulness, you'll develop a heightened awareness of your thoughts and behaviors, facilitating personal growth and self-improvement. Embrace mindfulness today. In a world that often pulls us in countless directions, taking a few moments to engage in mindfulness can be a true game changer. This easy exercise requires minimal time investment yet promises substantial rewards for your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being.